In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Messenger mobile app. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So come on here, open up your, if you're using your Play Store, if you're using your Android, use the Play Store. If you're using your iPhone, use the Apple Store. So open up your Messenger. Open up your App Store. I'm going to just type in Messenger on the search box. I'm going to come on here. I'll click on Get. Wait for it to open up. So I'm going to just gradually wait for it to install. So I'm going to click on download. Okay, right now you can see we just installed, we just downloaded and installed the Facebook mobile app here on our device. I'm going to go back. So this is the Messenger. So this is it. I'm going to just open it up. So this is basically how you can be able to do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.